Here's a complete list of the most commonly used full forms in HVAC industry. General HVAC full forms. HVAC, heating, ventilation and air conditioning. AC, air conditioner, air conditioning. DX, direct expansion. AHU, air handling unit. FCU, fan coil unit. VRF, VRV, variable refrigerant flow, variable refrigerant volume. CHWS, CHWR, chilled water supply, chilled water return. HW, SHWR, hot water supply, hot water return. RTU, rooftop unit. PAC, package air conditioner. Components and devices. VAV, variable air volume. CAV, constant air volume. OUT, outside air temperature. IAT, inside air temperature. SA, supply air. RA, return air. EA, exhaust air. MAU, makeup air unit. ERV, energy recovery ventilator. HRV, heat recovery ventilator. Refrigeration and cooling. COP, coefficient of performance. BTU, British thermal unit. TR, ton of refrigeration. EER, energy efficiency ratio. SEER, seasonal energy efficiency ratio. HSPF, heating seasonal performance factor. IEER, integrated energy efficiency ratio. SPF, seasonal performance factor. Controls and electrical. BMS, building management system. BAS, building automation system. DDC, direct digital control. VFD, variable frequency drive. PLC, programmable logic controller. CT, current transformer. PT, potential transformer. Ducts and air distribution. CFM, cubic feet per minute, airflow rate. FPM, feet per minute, air velocity. ESP, external static pressure. TSP, total static pressure. NC, noise criteria. Standards and codes. ASHRI, American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers. SMA CNA, Sheet Metal and Air Conditioning Contractors National Association. A Very Tall Man Jashil, Air Conditioning, Heating and Refrigeration Institute. IECC, International Energy Conservation Code. NEC, National Electrical Code. NFPA, National Fire Protection Association. Miscellaneous. O&M, Operation and Maintenance. PM, Preventive Maintenance. IAQ, Indoor Air Quality. RH, Relative Humidity. DP, Dew Point. WB, Wet Bulb Temperature. DB, Dry Bulb Temperature. This covers all major HVAC related full forms that engineers, technicians and students use daily.